Hey guys, what's up? So I'm here with Ajay and Deji.
Yep. Hi guys.
Hey man, how are you guys doing, man? All good?
Yeah. Yeah, good.
Okay, so what I want you guys to do for me today is, as a Nigerian international student in Canada, what would you say your experience is, Ajay?
Um, at first it was tough.
Yeah?
It was hard and difficult. Like the school system is very different, and then the weather and everything is different. So I'm getting used to it with time, and then it's getting better now.
Okay, what about you, Deji?
I agree with what you said. I mean, the first challenge is the weather. That's a major challenge for me. Coming from Africa, right, where it's warmer. First weather, then what else? The school system is quite different, and you need a lot of money to survive here for I mean, 6 months before you get a job. Even if you have a job, you still need a lot of money to sustain you because you're gonna be spending a lot.
Yeah, it's
eating,
crazy, man. So like all of these factors, what would you say would be like the best way to adjust, like the quickest way to adjust and integrate into a new society?
The best way to adjust is like making friends with other Nigerians, other fellow Nigerians,
Okay.
and people that have been here like longer before you, so you can show you things and
Okay.
know like what is right and what is wrong to do around here.
Okay.
For me, like I always say, is money, man. If you have enough, honestly, if you have enough money from like a country you're coming from, you won't struggle that much because you need a lot of things like clothing. It's
Yeah.
a different.
Get around town.
So it's all about like preparation, and like you have
yeah.
to be like so prepared that
Yeah.
it's like literally just a seamless transition.
Oh, yeah.
Like,
Okay.
Don't come here like with the hopes that when you come here, somebody's gonna hand stuff over to you. And
Okay.
Stuff. You
Work for
understand?
everything you have here.
Okay, so before we wrap up, like quickly, would you encourage like any like Nigerians at home or anybody in their home country or whatever who is thinking of coming to Canada to study? Would you encourage them to come?
Oh yeah, for sure.
For sure.
For sure, yeah.
What about you, Deji?
Yeah, I will. I mean,
You would? Why would you say come?
I feel like it's a better way of life than
Yeah.
Nigeria.
Well, that's for sure.
Yeah, it is a better way of life.
Yeah, that's for sure. And one last question is, what do you know about Jamaica?
Rastafari.
It's a Caribbean country.
Caribbean country.
Yeah. Then they like to party a lot. That's what I know.
Yeah, man, like, it look like crazy parties, bro.
Yeah, the party like crazy. That's
Well, guys, thank you very much, man.